everyone, we are Team Viriato and we are going to share our experience of Manthan 2022. So according to me, I learned a lot. I learned how to manage the distractions, how to come over those things.
Yeah. So actually the first day was pretty very exciting. We were all in the formals. First time we all were in the formals in the college, and then we went and they checked our nails, they checked our uniforms, they checked our tie, socks, shoes, everything. And then they after that they explained about the program.
It felt like a corporate world type.
Yeah, they gave a pretty much corporate environment feeling. So it was good. And then the second day was again the continuation of the first day. And we had presentation, and then again we have to, we were prepared for the presentation, but yet we were a bit concerned what will happen and all.
Well, I learned how to manage time. Like we did all the activities within given time, and also how to work with the team. So we all will coordinate with each other, and how to, we all were having different opinions, and then we concluded with the same ideas. So it was an amazing experience. So what about you, Shivam?
I never expected Manthan to be this much meaningful, and Manthan really boosted my confidence, and it improved my presentation skills.
Okay.
And I came over from my stage fear also. I had a lot of stage fear, so I learned how to present things, speaking in front of the audience.
And putting those many points ahead, I have learned how to properly manage my aggressive movements at each and now intervals, and I got to know that if there is a task at the deadline or something which we are not able to do, we also learn how to de-stress ourselves by the deviations of the other people in the class, by our seniors or something like that. So we learn how to manage a task when there is a deadline. So this is our experience which we have covered in all the 3 days of Manthan. We feel so happy that we are the runner-ups, but it's okay. It cannot be the winners, but we are very so happy with this. So participating in this will make you improve a lot. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.